Hello children, how are you? Did you brush your teeth? Did you take bath? Did you drink water? Do you know why I'm asking you all these questions? Yes, all these are related to water. So let us begin our next lesson, Envt lesson number 3, water o water. Open page 20, lesson number 3, page 20. Water. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Water is life. Water is precious. Tip, tip, tip. Oh, the waterfalls, overflowing the rivers, lakes, and ponds. Waves of oceans gallop like a horse. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Taking form of icebergs on hilltops, boil it, heat it, turns into vapor. Keeping singing the songs of springs, water is life, water is precious. Giving life to crops, plants and trees, running in human body, nourishing animals and birds, water is life, water is precious. During drought, there is stress. Life seems to be in pain. During floods, there is threat and fright. How? Well, tap and hand pump filled with water. Water is life. Water is precious. Do you know any poem or a song on water? What are the different kinds of effects of water mentioned in the poem? Water effects mentioned in the poem are: waves of the ocean gallop like a horse. Water gives life to crops, plants and trees. Water runs in human and animals' body and nourishes them. Water causes stress during drought. Water causes threat and fright during floods. Now think and write. Tick the activities for which water is needed. Water is needed to row a boat. Tick that. To row a boat, to make tea, to knead dough, to paint pictures, to grow plants. What can you do without water? We can do activities like playing, speaking, walking, and studying without water. What can you not do without water? We cannot quench our thirst, cook food, have a bath, and wash clothes or utensils without water. Now write more or less. Arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs the most water. To bathe, to drink, to clean the house, to water the fields, to knead the dough, to cook the food. So first answer number 1 is to water the fields. Second one is to clean the house. Third one is to bathe. Fourth one is to knead the dough. Fifth one is to cook the food. And the last one is to drink. Number 6 is to drink. Go for next page. In the poem, you read about the rivers, waterfalls, lakes, and springs. We get water from all these places. From where do you get water? Put a circle around those places that are either in your house or around it. Put a circle for well, hand pump, tap. Next page. Color the pictures of those containers which you use for storing water. Take a look at the pictures if we fill them with water. Which will contain the least water? The small metal pot. Least मतलब सबसे कम पानी किसमें आएगा? The small metal pot. Which will contain the most water? The bucket. In which containers same amount of water can be filled? The earthen pot and the big metal pot. Now discuss and tell. Chaku is confused. Ruchak and Chaku is confused. Ruchan and Chaku were feeling very thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango panna in steel tumblers. But Chaku wanted the drink only in a glass tumbler. Her uncle poured the panna into the glass tumbler, but Chaku was not happy. She complained, "Uncle, you have given me less panna." Discuss and tell. What do you feel? Did Chaku's glass tumbler have less panna? The panna had been transferred from the steel tumbler to the glass tumbler. Thus, the panna in Chaku's glass tumbler was not less. It looked less because the glass tumbler was bigger than the steel tumbler. Next is find out and write. Given in the grid are some places where water is found. Find any 7 of them and put a circle around each. The places from where water is obtained are waterfall, lake, seas, oceans, rain, pond, spring, well and tap. So you have to circle it and the given in the grid. Circle it and find out 7 words and write in the given place. Go for next page. In every row, put a circle around one that is different from the others. Also tell how it is different. See the first one. River, mountain, pond, spring, lake. Now, answer is river, pond, spring and lake are source of water while mountain is not. So, circle mountain. Second one is fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. So, fish, duck, crocodile and tortoise are aquatic animals while a monkey is not. So, circle monkey. Third one, a car, a bus, a train and a bicycle run on the road while a boat sails on water. So, circle boat. Next one, water is needed for bathing, washing clothes, swimming and kneading dough, while no water is needed for combing hair. So, circle there combing hair. Now, see the next one, fun with colors. Take a paper and fold, do the activity. So remember children, save water. Water is a precious property. Water is the essence of life. Water is life. Save water and water will save us. The place from where water is obtained is known as a source of water. Wells, ponds, streams, rivers, lakes, borewell, tube wells, rain, etc. are sources of water. Water is used for drinking, cooking and bathing, washing clothes and utensils, cleaning the house, farming and in various industries. Water from the seas and from the earth's surface forms water vapor and evaporates to form clouds. And when the clouds condense, they come down again as rain. This is known as the water cycle. Water is useful in all household activities. It is also used in our day-to-day life for transport, transfer of seeds and for traveling on waterways. We cannot live without drinking water for a single day. If the amount of water in our body decreases suddenly, it is known as dehydration. One can lose consciousness because of it. If this goes on for a long time, it can even result in death. So children, drink plenty of water and stay healthy. Thank you.